With the advent of Made in China 2025, traditional warehousing logistics can no longer meet market demands. In order to improve the efficiency of production and operation in various fields, a refined and standardized intelligent warehousing system has emerged. With its independent R&D capability, Wasem provides customers with flexible and personalized solutions for intelligent warehousing systems. Realize a professional and complete service chain integrating R&D, sales, design, manufacturing, and service. The automated storage and retrieval system effectively improves the warehouse space utilization and storage efficiency. The three-dimensional racking realizes high-density storage of goods. The flexible use of the roadway stacker system and the shuttle system makes the access to high-level goods easy and convenient. Combined with advanced intelligent transportation and handling system, the warehouse greatly reduces the demand for space and manpower. Also, the WMS system provides refined inventory management. With WCS system, to achieve precise dispatch of system equipment, ensuring the accuracy of data in all links. As a professional equipment provider in intelligent logistics industry, Wasem wholeheartedly provides enterprises with intelligent warehousing, transportation, picking and sorting services with advantageous self-developed device applied. Assist operations, share the future.